Good morning, students. Today we will do comprehensions. So you open your book, grammar book at page number 111. Comprehensions. What are the comprehensions? These are the unseen passages you are given, and you have to read them and you understand them and then write the answers that are given to you. Now children, you see what are the rules while doing the comprehension. First of all, you should read the passage for general idea. Then you read the questions and understand the meaning. Then again you read the paragraph and then find out the answers and you underline them. Your answers should be in your words, maybe in your words, or it may be small and simple. And your answer should be according to the passage. Or if any heading is required, so you read the paragraph and you find out the general idea given in the paragraph. Now today we will be doing this specimen passage. In ancient Egypt, doctors used to treat some skin diseases by covering sores with moldy bread, but they had no idea why moldy bread could help to heal some sores. So they used to treat the skin diseases. If there is any skin disease, any itching is there, or any type of skin, more pimples are there, any skin disease is there, so they used to treat it by covering the sores. Sores, you know, when sometimes if boiled water drops on your hand and the skin gets burnt and there is a swollen part of the skin, that is called sore. With moldy bread, moldy means if your bread is not kept in fridge, it is outside, so sometimes you must have seen the bread is having something black, green, that is called mold. So moldy bread, so they used to they were using the moldy bread for covering the sores, but they had no idea why moldy bread could help to heal some sores. They did not have any idea as they saw their elders, so they were using, but nobody knew why we were using that. Then scientists learned that some molds could kill bacteria. So when the experiments were done, so it was known that molds can kill the bacteria. And the scientist who produced an antibiotic called penicillin was Dr. Alexander Fleming. So Dr. Alexander Fleming was the doctor who discovered this penicillin. In fact, Dr. Fleming discovered penicillin by accident. By accident he discovered. In 1928, he was searching for an antibiotic that could attack bacteria but was harmless to humans. He had in his laboratory several sealed dishes filled with agar and bacteria. Some dishes were there that were filled with agar and bacteria. One day his assistant forgot to seal one of these dishes after some testing. As a result, the unsealed dish was contaminated with a mold. Now it was contaminated means it was affected by mold. Dr. Fleming was angry, but just as he was about to throw the dish away, he noticed that the mold seemed to be killing the bacteria. So he saw that wherever the mold was there, so it was killing the bacteria. He then tested the mold on other dishes. He noticed that change and he tested that on other dishes also, containing other species of bacteria. There are several types of bacteria, so on other dishes he tested that. To his great joy, he found it an effective killer 2. It was an effective killer of bacteria. So now children, we will be doing the questions. Now we have read the passage, we will be reading the questions first. What did doctors in ancient Egypt use to treat some skin diseases? Who produced an antibiotic called penicillin? What was Dr. Fleming searching in his laboratory? What did his assistant forget one day? What did Dr. Fleming notice when he was about to throw the dish? What is an antibiotic? Now you see, all the questions are given in the order of the paragraph. So you see, first question we will find, what did the doctors in ancient Egypt use to treat some skin diseases? But what they were using, we get the answer, diseases by covering the sores with moldy bread. So here you can write sores with moldy bread. In exam you can write here 1. It means this is the question 1's answer. Now comes the second one. Who produced an antibiotic called penicillin? Who produced penicillin? Dr. Fleming discovered penicillin by accident. He discovered. Name is here. So you can write here answer 2. Now next one, there is, what was Dr. Fleming searching in his laboratory? What he was searching? Now you see what he was searching. He had in his laboratory several sealed dishes. One day he was searching for an antibiotic. Here the answer is, he was searching for an antibiotic. This is answer 3. We will write the answers later according to the question. We will start from the question, but we will be writing the exact answer. Now question number 4 is, what did his assistant forget one day? One day, what the assistant forgot? One day his assistant forgot to seal one of these dishes. है ना? So you will be writing here number 4. 4. Now next is, what did Dr. Fleming notice when he was about to throw the dishes? When he was about to throw the dishes, so what he noticed? Now we will see this answer also. He was just about to throw the dish. He noticed that the mold seemed to be killing the bacteria. Now this is the 5th answer. And the next one is, what is an antibiotic? Antibiotic, what is antibiotic? Antibiotic, what can it do? So as you read the paragraph, so now you will understand that antibiotic is something that kills bacteria. Now we will be writing the answers. Now here we will start the answers from here. Doctors in ancient Egypt used, what they used? We underlined this, with moldy bread. So we will be writing here moldy bread to cover the sores, or you can write here to treat some skin diseases. Okay. Now who produced an antibiotic called penicillin? We mark there, Dr. Alexander Fleming produced the antibiotic called penicillin. Produce an antibiotic called penicillin. You have to write the name only. What was Dr. Fleming searching in his laboratory? What he was searching? So you start the answer from here. Dr. Fleming was searching. What he was searching? For an antibiotic. What he was searching? An antibiotic. An antibiotic in his laboratory. What did his assistant forget one day? His assistant, you start the answer from the question. his assistant forgot. Did is here, so here will be the second form of the verb. Forgot. What he forgot? To seal one of these dishes after some testing. Now next is, what did Dr. Fleming notice when he was about to throw the dish? So you start the answer from here. When Dr. Fleming when he was about to throw the dish, he noticed, what he noticed? That the mold was killing the bacteria. Here, that the mold seemed to be killing the bacteria. Now next is, what is antibiotic? So you can write, an antibiotic is a medicine that can kill germs that have entered the body. Germs, they will kill. Now children, I will be sending this first passage I gave you earlier also, and in the evening I will be sending the answers. You read it once, twice, thrice, and then find out the answers, and I will be sending you the PDF, and you match them, and you write these answers in your fair notebook. Thank you all.